1955, reduce speed 180 knots.
About 180, Rouge 1955.
Alright, 912, reduce speed 170 knots. It'll be a bit of a tight turn, go to localizer.
No worries, 170 on the speed. Sorry, 92.
Thanks.
Going 24 right, 40 feet.
Vanilla.
170 knots, no Jazz 854.
Awesome. Q3 is in sight, Jazz 776.
Turn right, heading 210, intercept the localizer runway 23, advise the runway in sight.
Heading 210, intercept the localizer, runway 23 is in sight, Jazz 776.
White Tango Medevac, turn left heading 270 to intercept localizer 23.
Left turn heading 270 to intercept, White Tango Medevac.
Thank you. 7.
170 Tom Talk 187. Sorry, now 2.
Jazz 776, you got the runway in sight, sorry?
Runway's in sight, Jazz 776.
Beautiful, Jazz 776, clear for the visual approach, runway 23, maintain speed 190 knots.
Clear visual 23 and 190 knots, Jazz 776.
Roger. Thank you. Jazz 854, contact tower 118.35.
1835, Jazz 854.
Rouge 1700, turn left, heading 330.
Left bend, heading 330, Rouge 1700.
Rouge 1958, nice work. Departure 128 decimal, get it?
128, Rouge 1958, have a good day.
Quebec Sierra, make your next left turn at Foxtrot, contact ground on 12165.
Foxtrot, 115, 701. Hello, Rouge 1955, ILS 23.
Rouge 1955, Toronto Tower, good day, winds 280 at 18, gust to 27 knots, several wind shear alerts, previously around 400 feet is where it seems to be the worst. Clear to land runway 23.
Clear to land runway 23, Rouge 1955.
Tower Jazz 854, coming up to now.
Jazz 854, Toronto Tower, wind 280, 17, gust 33, continuing.
Tower Jazz 996 is now ready to go.
Jazz 996, roger, line up runway 248, be ready immediate.
Okay, now right to 4 right, and we'll go to 996.
Clear 4310, join Echo, contact ground 129, get it?
219, Echo,
Jazz 996, winds 280, 16, gust 28, clear takeoff, runway 248.
Clear for takeoff, 24 right, Jazz 996.
Jazz 854, Embraer rolling, winds 280, 16, gust 25, clear to land, runway 248.
Clear to land 24 right, Jazz 854. Toronto Tower, hello, Chart 89 or 12 is clear the visual runway 23.
Chart 8912, hello, winds 280 at 17, gusting to 25 knots, several wind shear reports early, around 400 feet is where it's worst. You're clear to land runway 23.
Roger, we're clear to land 23, check remarks.
Rouge 1955, exit Hotel 4, left again on Hotel in 2165.
Okay, Hotel 4, 2165.
Jazz 854, exit Charlie 2, contact ground 121, get it.
Charlie 2, ground 219, Jazz 854.
Toronto Tower, Jazz 776, clear visual 23.
Jazz 776, good day. You're number 2. You're following a King Air. They're inside a mile final now. The wind's a 280, 17 gust to 25 knots. Several wind shear reports around 400 feet. AGL is where it's the worst. You could land on 123.
Clear land 23, check remarks, thanks, Jazz 776.
Sorry, 912, we'll right turn into Papa and 2165 by now.
Ground Air Canada 185, with you holding short Alpha Kilo.
Air Canada 185, heavy ground, continue Alpha Hotel.
Alpha Hotel, Air Canada 185. Ground hold short right now, 12 on Papa.
Short right 912, ground taxi right on Juliet Kilo.
Juliet Kilo, start now, please.
Air Canada 112, are you all set to move?
Canada 112, affirmative.